Another day, another story. Hi, viewers, I am Imtiaz Afzal, zoologist. Today we are studying about microorganisms, their advantages and disadvantages. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Microorganisms, also known as microbes, are tiny living organisms that can only be seen through a microscope. They include bacteria, viruses, fungi, archaea, and protists. Microorganisms play a crucial role in various aspects of life and have both advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of microorganisms. Decomposition. Microorganisms are essential for breaking down organic matter, such as dead plants and animals. This process of decomposition releases nutrients back into the environment, allowing them to be reused by other living organisms. Nutrient cycling. Microorganisms are involved in nutrient cycling, helping to recycle elements like carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus. They convert these elements into forms that plants and animals can use, contributing to the overall health of ecosystems. Biotechnology. Microorganisms are used in biotechnology processes to produce various substances, including enzymes, pharmaceuticals, and biofuels. They can be genetically modified to enhance their productivity and efficiency in these applications. Food production. Certain microorganisms are used in food production processes such as fermentation. For example, yeast is used in baking to leaven bread, and bacteria are used to produce yogurt and cheese. Environmental cleanup. Some microorganisms are capable of bioremediation, which is the use of living organisms to clean up polluted environments. They can break down and detoxify harmful substances, helping to restore contaminated ecosystems. Health benefits. Many microorganisms are beneficial to human health. For instance, probiotics, which are live bacteria and yeasts, are known to improve gut health and digestion. Additionally, some microorganisms are used in the production of vaccines and antibiotics to combat infectious diseases. Disadvantages of microorganisms. Disease and infections. Certain microorganisms can cause diseases and infections in humans, animals, and plants. Pathogenic bacteria and viruses, for example, can lead to illnesses ranging from the common cold to more severe conditions. Spoilage. Microorganisms can spoil food and beverages. Bacteria, mold, and yeast can lead to food contamination, rendering it unsafe for consumption. Foodborne illnesses. Consumption of contaminated food or water can lead to foodborne illnesses, often caused by harmful microorganisms. Antibiotic resistance. Overuse and misuse of antibiotics have led to the emergence of antibiotic-resistant strains of bacteria, making it more challenging to treat infections effectively. Economic impact. Some microorganisms can cause diseases in crops and livestock, leading to significant economic losses in agriculture and farming. Invasive species. Certain microorganisms, when introduced to new environments where they have no natural predators, can become invasive and disrupt the native ecosystem, causing ecological imbalances. In summary, microorganisms have significant advantages in natural processes, biotechnology, and health, but they also pose risks in terms of disease, food spoilage, and environmental disruptions. Proper understanding and management of microorganisms are crucial to harness their benefits while minimizing their negative impacts. Thanks for watching.